Hey, we're in Short Straw. I'm Gad.
I'm We're at Duke's Burgers in Greenside, and we got a burger on the rock menu, and I want to know if Gad knows what's on it.
I know there's at least 3 things I don't eat on it. There's guacamole, evo, bacon. There's a beef burger.
My name's Adele and this is Lowell. I'm in the band Flip Meets Bog. She's my friend and we're eating the Flip Meets Bog burger. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Tell us about your burger, Froy. You don't have a burger? What are you doing here?
I'm here to eat.
Okay, go.
I'm here to eat your burger, Matt.
That's what she said.
Hello, we are Gangsterdam, and we're here at Duke's in Johannesburg, in Greenside. This is Mark.
Hey, what's up?
This is Mike. This is D-Styles.
Hey, I'm D-Styles, local celebrity and international fan.
This is Roy. I'm Rory Shane, guitarist of Gangsterdam. And we're going to tell you now all about our burger, and D-Styles is going to do the honors.
If you're interested in a beef patty with a balsamic reduction topped with caramelized onion and halloumi cheese and stacked on a waffle, you're in luck because you can buy one at Duke's on Wednesday nights for 84 Rand. I don't believe there are any other burgers available on a Wednesday night though.
Hello, we are by Beneco and we're at the Duke's Burger Launch in Johannesburg with MK. This is our burger. Look at our poster. It's a space elephant.
I have no idea what's on the burger. No, I'm just joking. I'm kidding. I can read it right here.
Okay, it's a veg soya patty with carrots, brinjal and cumin dipped in a turmeric batter, deep fried, served with caramelized onion, melted brie, black cherry balsamic sauce, and it's 77 Rand. It's the best burger on the menu, on the band menu, because it's the only vegetarian burger and it's really, really, really good. I tasted it tonight for the first time and made my knees weak.
Hey, I'm Michael Lohman, and we're here at Duke's Burgers in Greenside for their rock menu, which has been reloaded. I got a burger. Check it out. It's Mexican. I fucking love nachos, so I thought let's put some nachos on a burger, see how it goes. Come on, who doesn't like Mexican? I wanted to call it the Rango, but I think Michael Lohman's better. And I think it's better than anyone else's because, you know, Johnny Depp.
My name is Louis, and this is definitely the first time I'm attempting this little testimonial interview. Like I haven't said before, I was quite big when I got here, but after eating 10,000 burgers, I've gotten really big, because this is an actual real-life burger. And look how big I am now, but I must have more.
My burger's got 100% beef, chicken. It's got cheese and it tastes like Jaeger bombs.
Matthew Mole's burger apparently has chicken and beef, because I haven't met anyone who doesn't like Matthew Mole.
A few sauces. I don't even know the sauces. No, thank you. No, thanks. No.
Hi, I'm Alan from Zebra and Giraffe here at the Duke's Burger Launch, and I'd have to say that the best burger I've had so far is the Al Bear.
I get to eat free things because I drew the stuff.
I definitely enjoy the Van Coke. You could taste a bit of Wynand in there.
Ek's Vicky.
Ek's Charles.
Yay, en ons het nou net 'n van Coke Cartel burger geëet by Duke's and it was great.
Yeah, Duke's in Greenside, Neva Burger Launch, freaking amazing.
I'm Zakia Patel and I'm at the Duke's Burger Launch and I am so stuffed because I think I've almost tried every single burger on the menu. And I'm surrounded by amazing people and amazing bands. I loved the Monarch and I'm not gonna lie, the Gangs of Ballet is pretty damn savvy too.
It's delicious.
Ours is good.